It missed an extended time of creation, yet the AMG S63 super sedan is back in a significant manner. Utilizing the Mercedes-Benz S-Class 7th-age design, the S63 carries the charm with more go than any time in recent memory because of another module crossover powertrain. Mercedes has dropped the recently offered car and convertible body styles and will offer the S63 as a car just, basically for the time being. Under the hat sits a recognizable twin-super V8 that, with the assistance of AMG's back electric engine, presently creates a joined 791 strength, and a dumbfounding 1055 pound-feet of force for its all-wheel drive framework to attempt to put to the street. To guarantee the S63 will speed sufficiently high to avoid increasing loan fees, AMG will permit its huge battery extravagance vehicle to arrive at speeds up to 180 miles per hour. As a chariot for the rich considering most extreme execution, the new AMG S63 is a speedy and comfortable method for introducing the business's electric future. After a short break, the AMG-badged S-Class makes its terrific re-emergence to the esteem on wheels class utilizing the bones from the ongoing creation Benz S-Class mated with a promising high-power half and half powertrain. As opposed to offering a pinnacle of various trims, the S63 is rather a buffet of choices that can tailor the vehicle for the two drivers and the people who like to be driven. As the zenith entertainer for the brand's leader car, the S63 comes standard with a degree of solace unrivaled by most extravagance condos. Accessible carbon ceramic brakes are extra, yet we wouldn't consider them significant for regular use. From now onward, indefinitely quite a while, the Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Group has attempted to foster an elite execution battery that could convey steady execution at the most significant level of motorsports. Presently people who drive out and about bear the product of these endeavors with the new hybridized powertrain found in the AMG S63e execution. The most remarkable S-Class at any point offered is impelled by a 603 horsepower twin-super V8 motor front and center, with assistance from a 188 horsepower engine for the back hub. Their joined endeavors produce 791 pull and 1055 pound-feet of force for the vehicle's all-wheel drive framework to process. A 9-speed double-grip program transmission handles moving and, to assist this canal boat of force with exploring traffic and parking spaces, AMG incorporates back pivot controlling as standard gear. Mercedes gauges the S-Class can come to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds with a maximum velocity of 180 miles per hour. That is a faster than the most lively rendition of the standard Benz S-Class, which required 3.9 seconds to arrive at 60 miles per hour with 496 drive. Given the monstrous power accessible to fling it not too far off, we suspect that the S63e execution will be even faster than its creator claims. The S63 utilizes an AMG ride control air suspension, AMG dynamic ride control adjustment, and back hub guiding as standard gear, so it ought to deal with well. When we get to drive one, we'll refresh this report with our discoveries. AMG demands its shift to a module mixture powertrain, which finds support from a new 13.1 kWh battery, is centered around execution rather than range. The EPA hasn't appraised the new S63e execution yet if the 16 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon roadway that the Mercedes-Benz S580 is appraised at is any sign, we believe it's protected to risk everything. S63 won't return numbers that would be viewed as see any problems with blowing versus those. Mercedes says the S63's battery just electric driving mode, which works at speeds up to 87 miles per hour, has a scope of around 20 miles. For more data about the S-Class mileage, visit the EPA's site. While the huge strength will fill the hearts of lovers, the AMG S63's needs incorporate solace. It sports a lavish lodge with unmistakable AMG upholstery and sewing. A Dolby Atmos sound framework comes standard and offers a 360-degree sound insight. The vehicle's 12.3-inch computerized measure group gives a brilliant and clear list of driving data, yet the genuine enchantment occurs on the standard 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen that is upward mounted on the dashboard. Outside sound cancellation and rich inside materials make the S63 an encounter most just taste from limos. Headrest cushions for back travelers, and an overflow of legroom pose a powerful case for the S63 as a phenomenal vehicle to be chauffeured in as well as an extraordinary one to encounter from the driver's seat. Like its tamer Mercedes-Benz S-Class kin, the S63 accompanies an in an upward direction mounted 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen with an upgraded variant of Mercedes MBUX programming. This framework can be constrained by contact or through voice orders from any seat in the vehicle. Remote Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with remote telephone charging are standard.